Hello, everybody. This is another episode of UncleCode Review. We're gonna go to different students, and we're gonna go through their codes and review what they've done, and maybe I have some comments to improve their code. And code review always is important in any software company, especially senior programmers. They look at junior coders and give them comments and hints. It's one way of improving the code quality and learning a lot of new things. Okay, hello, we in Mason. How are you?
Hello.
Hello, it's good to be
Good.
back. Hi,
Yeah.
Sam.
Perfecto, perfect. So, let us start from our kid. Ervina, let us know who is our student today.
Okay, so we are going to show Nabil's code. He is 7 years old boy, and he started joining Kidocode last year, in
Oh,
2021.
7 years old.
Yes,
Nabil.
look at him.
Such a nice photo. He's standing in front of a lot of flowers, right? Look at
Yeah,
me. Let me see the image again. That's
exactly.
cool. Nice. Such a nice image. Who took
Sweet
this photo?
gentleman.
That's super cool. That's super nice. Okay, so let us start to go through Nabil code. And actually, his code is really interesting, guys. So let me show
Oh,
you guys. Look at it. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Look at this snowman. And this is coming from 7 years old Kriya's child. Let me run the code again, and you're gonna get a better
That's
understanding.
so good.
Beautiful. So beautiful.
oh,
Do you believe that, huh? Tell me honestly. Do you believe
I love it so much.
that
that?
must be a hard work. Like, how long did he? I wonder how long does it take for him to finish this a long code.
Look at that. 136
Yeah.
lines of code. Well done, Nabil. And I see you like red
Very
color.
good.
Good job, good job.
Very good, very good, very good. Let's go through his code. It's very
I love the way the eyes are not in one line. It's obviously intentional
funny.
and it's so nice.
It's nice.
a necessity imperfection.
Yeah.
Artistic.
Very artistic, true. Look at that. That's even the nose is really a carrot.
Yeah, it's a
Orange
it's a-
color, carrot. So
yeah.
I assume it's carrot.
It
And
must
here,
be, yeah.
first of all, interesting. They did a speed 0. Well done, Nabil. You are really no coding more than your age. That's really great. And that's what I
He knows
have.
coding more than me.
Oh, definitely no. Not only Nabil. And then it's really interesting. Some parents, when they join, they have concern that maybe it's too soon for my child. And then I ask, how old is your child? 11 years old. What are you talking about? And this is 7 years old. That's great. Beautiful.
Very inspiring.
Very inspiring. Yes. I think we should show this code to anyone who has doubt about coding in the age. So here
Yeah.
we do have, it's very lot of lines of code. If I'm going to review this code, we're just going to continue till dinner time. So let's see what would happen here. A backward, and a right, and forward, and a pen down. So this is a bunch of drawing, I guess. If like, oops. Let me just, okay. A lot of code, it's gonna take time. So I'll just run something. You see, he just brought it down there, and where is it? Okay. And then draw a circle. I think this is tummy. What I thought. This is the tummy part. Maybe. But 150.
Yeah, it is.
Looks tummy. If you make it 250, yes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That's getting more funny. It looks like
Our
Star Wars. Yes, exactly.
no. C3PO.
No. C3PO is the gold guy. The gold guy.
R2D2.
R2D2 is the old version, the new version. I forgot
Oh,
to
okay.
name myself. Search, Google it. That's a new one. Let's make it
BD8.
BD8 is true. Let's make it like this.
Oh my God.
But that's too small. Doesn't have body now.
Yeah.
Or 500.
Oh my God! This is McDonald issue.
Too much French fries.
5 year subscription of McDonald's.
Non-stop. So we just back the size. So we got it. So circle is here, nice. And then we go down. This is brown. Oh, that's I guess
It should be
the
the
carrot one.
hands.
What about the orange?
Should be the hands.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
oh, you're right. Such a brown. Okay.
Go right.
What if the forward got 150?
Yeah, the hand is bigger now.
The handy. Oh yeah, it came more. So let's make it 200.
Yeah. See.
You see, because the rest of positioning is dependent on where hand ends.
Yeah.
Now you can see the bottom is moving. So let's. What was that before first? It was 130.
130.
Now, oh yeah, 30 and then backward 30. Okay. So what if I go 100 and I don't do backward 30, huh? Impossible, right?
I think it's because of the fingers. If you don't do that, the one of the fingers lost.
Oh, finger is there. Great, cool, nice. Let's go make this 130 again. Okay, so I understood now. Understood that.
Yeah.
Right 50 and forward 30 for the hand again, finger, and then very interesting.
Nice
30
drawing.
pixels every fingers, and that's nice. That's why backward 30 to make a finger. That's really cool. Very cool, Nabil. Such a detail. And then forward 30 and backward and pen up and then jump and pen down. Okay. Now
Very good understanding of the positioning of the elements. That's going back, things that I'm here, now I have to go things. So this knowledge is so essential when we go for the Cartesian plane. You will be able to map things later on. You wouldn't have any problem understanding the things on the Cartesian plane.
This is true, 70-degree. This is a great ability. Kind of nice visualization that he can do it in his own brain. This is what we need from a designer, from an engineer, architecture. These people abstract things to design, intellectual things, record such a kind of vividly design and think. That's really good, very nice. I really like it. So we just do some other kind of stuff. Oh, now we reach to bottom. Now I guess because it's black, so let's make it blue. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yes, now we have blue. So I think black make more sense. As far as I remember, all snowman is black. So
The charcoal.
fuck. And then we go down, and then we have okay. This circle, no, it still is okay. Yeah. What if one of the circle get bigger? So that's 10, and then we go down 90, 10, 10. Is it 310? These are all bottoms. Now we go. Oh, head is here. Why? Let's do some funny things over the head. Circle. Where's the circle? Should be a circle here. Oh, yeah, the circle. So we make it like 50.
Oh, poor.
It is
Melting
like a
down.
stock bar. Sometimes separate them back to each other.
They
150.
freaked out. No neck.
This is more like a chicken now. Okay, so now we go down to black for eyes, I guess. 10, 10, yes. Finally, we should reach to orange. Okay. The Pinocchio. Let's make sure this is snowman lied recently. So I'm gonna go. I think this is the one. That's what will happen to you guys when you lie.
If you go forward, the backward also change it.
You have to do the backward too.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't do he's drawing a rectangle. Ooh,
Oh.
drawing a rectangle. Wow. Of course, you could draw and use thickness to make it easier if you want, but that's cool. Forward 60. So I will keep it back like how it was, because 10, 60, 60. Okay. Then red is the hat.
Yeah.
I think I messed up with his code, right?
I think so. Oops.
The snowman
Nabil, can you come and help?
I don't know how to bring it back again. We have the hat. No, I didn't mess up because it's a snowman and the weather is sunny, it's melting. We were playing for a while, so it's just like that. Very well. Okay, we reached the end of the code. I'm very happy. We reached
Very good, very good.
well done, Nabil. That's
Evan, reviewing was also so much fun. Playing around with this. I can feel that the proud of when you are making one.
Yeah, and I think he's so passionate. For a 7-year-old boy, he's very passionate to go through that process to have that outcome. I think it's something is amazing. I think for that age.
true.
Which one is taking more time? Creating a snowman in outdoor. You have to wait. Of course, in Malaysia, you have to wait for a few centuries.
That's what I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
Depends on what.
Cool.
Very cool.
So, well done, Nabil. And we're going to tell you something very important because you deserve it. Something that is very secret, but I want to reveal to the whole universe. And I want to tell to everybody that Nabil, you are programmer.